Are you looking for the best action cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best action cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GoPro Hero 13 Black. The GoPro Hero 13 Black marks a significant update to GoPro's flagship camera lineup, introducing several features that enhance its versatility while retaining a familiar form factor. The standout addition is the interchangeable lens system, which allows users to customize their shooting experience. This includes Ultra-Wide Lens Mod. $100 offers a massive 177-degree field of view, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or action-packed scenes. Macro Lens Mod. $130 designed for close-up shots, ideal for capturing intricate details. Anamorphic Lens Mod. $130 provides a cinematic 21:9 aspect ratio and unique lens flares, adding a professional touch to your footage, available next spring. These lens options significantly increase the system's overall cost, but they can be purchased as needed, making it flexible for users. Though I'm still conducting tests on the Hero 13 Black, my initial impression is that it justifies its $400 price tag for serious enthusiasts. The new magnetic mounting system, in particular, is a game-changer, bringing GoPro up to speed with competitors. For those seeking a more affordable option, the standard Hero 13 is also available at $200. It offers 4K video capabilities without the interchangeable lenses, making it a solid choice for anyone who wants a reliable, no-frills action camera. Overall, both models provide excellent value for the features they offer. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 stands out as a formidable competitor in the action camera market, boasting several advantages over the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Here are some key features that make the Action 5 impressive. Battery life. The Osmo Action 5 excels with a battery life of up to 2 hours during 4K video recording, which is significant for extended shooting sessions. Video quality. It supports a 4:3 aspect ratio at 120 frames per second in 4K, providing versatility for creative filming. The new Super Night mode enhances low-light performance, allowing for 4K/30 footage at 16:9 with effective noise reduction. Audio integration. One of the standout features is its compatibility with the DJI Mic 2, which significantly improves audio quality. In my tests, the sound captured was superior to what I achieved with the GoPro's Media Mod and external mic, making it a strong option for vloggers and content creators. Compact design. The Action 5 is smaller and easier to mount than the GoPro, contributing to a more user-friendly experience. Its mounting system remains unchanged and continues to be the best magnetic system I've encountered, providing stability and ease of use. While the GoPro Hero 13 Black does offer 5.3K video resolution, the Osmo Action 5's integration into the DJI ecosystem makes it an appealing choice, especially for users who own DJI drones and plan to blend footage seamlessly. Overall, for those looking for excellent battery life, superior audio capabilities, and a compact design, the DJI Osmo Action 5 is a fantastic option worth considering. Number 3. Insta360 Ace Pro. The Insta360 Ace Pro is an outstanding choice for anyone focused on vlogging, earning an 8 out of 10 rating from Wired. Here's why it stands out. Lens and sensor. Co-engineered with Leica, the Ace Pro features a high-quality lens and sensor that deliver impressive video quality, comparable to both the GoPro Hero 13 Black and the DJI Osmo Action 5. The sensor is the same size as that in the DJI Action 4, ensuring excellent image clarity and detail. Flip-up screen. One of its most compelling features is the large flip-up back screen, which is a game-changer for self-filming. Unlike other action cameras with small front screens, this generous display allows for easy composition, making it simple to frame shots from various angles, including hip shots. Battery life. The Ace Pro offers solid battery performance, ensuring that you can shoot for extended periods without frequent recharges. Magnetic mounting system. The mounting system is different from DJI's but is equally effective, allowing for versatile mounting options that enhance usability. Non-Pro version. For those on a budget, there's a non-Pro version of the Ace available, which is more affordable but lacks some advanced video features. If you're looking for the best quality and functionality, the Ace Pro is the way to go. However, the standard Ace is still a great option if the flip-up screen is your primary concern. Overall, the Insta360 Ace Pro is highly recommended for vloggers and creators seeking a versatile, user-friendly action camera with excellent video quality and unique features. Number 4. Insta360 One RS. The Insta360 One RS is an innovative solution for those who want both an action camera and a 360-degree camera in one package, earning an 8 out of 10 rating and a recommendation from Wired. Here are some highlights of what makes this camera stand out. Interchangeable lenses. The One RS features 3 modular lenses, or mods, that allow you to customize your shooting experience. 4K mod provides high-quality 4K video, comparable to other top action cameras. Dual lens 360-degree mod captures immersive 360-degree footage, perfect for dynamic and engaging content. Wide-angle Leica lens with 1-inch sensor. This mod captures stunning 5K video and is known for exceptional video quality, making it a fantastic choice for serious filmmakers. Best value. For those looking for versatility, pairing the 4K mod with the 360 mod offers great value. However, if you're willing to invest more, the Leica 1-inch mod is a standout for its superior video quality. Upgraded features. The One RS has seen significant updates from its predecessor, including the ability to shoot 5.2K video with the 4K mod. The upgraded processor enhances performance, incorporating Insta360's renowned motion smoothing algorithm directly into the camera, reducing the need for post-editing. Firmware updates. One of the biggest advantages of the Insta360 brand is its commitment to regular firmware updates. This ensures that the camera continues to improve over time without the need to purchase new hardware each year. In summary, the Insta360 One RS is an excellent choice for those who want the flexibility of an action camera combined with the immersive capabilities of a 360-degree camera. Its modular design, impressive video quality, and ongoing support through updates make it a compelling option for creators looking to elevate their content. Number 5. Insta360 Go3S. The Insta360 Go3S is an impressive hybrid camera that earns a 9 out of 10 rating and a recommendation from Wired for good reason. Here are the key features and benefits that set it apart. Hybrid functionality. The Go3S can transform between a traditional action camera and a compact wearable camera, making it versatile for various shooting scenarios. In action camera mode, it offers a user-friendly experience similar to the Ace Pro, complete with a flip-up rear screen for easy composition. Waterproofing. While the Go3S is not fully waterproof in action camera mode, it becomes waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, when removed from its case. This feature allows for underwater filming without worrying about damaging the camera. Remote monitor capability. The case functions as a remote monitor even when the camera is detached, allowing for convenient operation and composition from a distance. Magnetic mounting system. The camera pod's strong magnetic mounting system opens up creative possibilities, enabling you to capture angles and shots that are difficult or impossible with other cameras in this guide. Video quality. The Go3S supports 4K video resolution, making it easy to integrate its footage with that from other cameras, ensuring consistency across your projects. Portability and ease of use. The compact size makes it easy to carry around, and the simplicity of shooting with the Go3S encourages spontaneous filming. Just attach it to any surface and start recording, which adds to its fun factor. Storage consideration. A notable downside is the lack of an SD card slot. For this reason, it's advisable to invest in the larger 128GB model to ensure you have ample storage for your footage. Overall, the Insta360 Go3S is a fantastic option for those looking for a fun, versatile camera that excels in both action and casual shooting scenarios. Its unique features and user-friendly design make it a great companion for creators on the go.